Welcome to the How To series. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI powered music creation. And the tool we're exploring today is Suno AI. So, whether you're an aspiring musician, a seasoned producer, or you're just curious about the power of AI, this video is for you. In this video, I'll guide you through how you can, make songs with Suno. So, you can make a song for your goldfish, for your workout, for your holiday, about the moon, and yeah, you can explore new styles of music with Suno. Here you would see Korean Afrobeats, you would see Portuguese, like different type of music, things that you might think about and you just want to listen to. There's so much to listen to here. So let's listen to something. Life ain't no crystal stair, honey scraped knees, broken dreams in the money. Welcome to Suno. Here you can explore the music that other people have created. You can create your own music. You can go through the library. You can search. There's even a career platform for people that are looking for jobs. And yeah, but you have to like sign up to access the full features of Suno. So let's just go to help. I'm sure there are like so many information where you can learn. So we have making music, billing, right and ownership. So I'm going to go to right and ownership because it's important to know if the music you're making is for you or if it's legally yours, as everything is done by AI, the singing, the lyrics creation, all you're adding is the prompt. So about distributing the songs, yes, you can distribute. That is if you pay for the pro or premium plan. But if you're using a free plan, you can't distribute. You can only make use of Suno for like non-commercial use, maybe as a hobby. You want to make music for your friend, you want to make personal music, you're just trying out to be creative, or you want to have it as a creative outlet just to do something fun online, then yeah, you're fine. Okay, so now let's navigate, creating a song. I'm just typing a jazz song about nature, happiness, and dancing. And yeah, Suno would create something definitely. And then you can see need ideas. So if you're making something personal for a special occasion, it's something that can easily be done simply by following the prompt. It would give you a beat that is in line, and then it will give you two music options. You can pick one. It depends on your preference. So yeah, person, if you're celebrating someone, I'm celebrating, what the purpose is. So it's a very amazing AI tool that you can just use to celebrate people, celebrate yourself, create music that you want to maybe listen to, or a sound that you want to listen to. It's AI generated. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's listen to what I generated with AI. It's tapping out a jazzy treat. The stars above are twinkling like they've learned to keep the time, and our hearts just keep on dancing to this rhythm so divine. Okay, so this brings me to the end of my video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying Suno. And remember, if you're on the basic plan, it's primarily for non-commercial use. You can use it on YouTube, but if it's business, you're good. Bye.